Pluribrush is the smallest and most versatile single brush cleaner in the world. It was created to meet and solve the needs of private, professional users. In particular, the aim of Pluribrush is to facilitate and significantly reduce cleaning times, thereby lowering the associated labor costs. Compared to machines designed for industrial cleaning, which are very big and cluttered, Pluribrush gives the possibility of deep cleaning all types of floor coverings such as steps, walls, and confined spaces such as furniture or upholstery without being tiring. The greatest strength of the Pluribrush is its transmission epicyclical with geared motor. It guarantees unlimited use without any risk of overheating. Also, thanks to its options such as the tank, it can also be used with water and detergents. Pluribrush gives the possibility to grind, polish and crystallize simply by changing the installation of the discs underneath. Replacing discs is a very simple and fast operation. In fact, all you need to do is use a small Allen key and unscrew the screw underneath. These are the various types of brushes that can be installed in Pluribrush. In particular, this is the washing brush. It can be used for all smooth or medium-grained surfaces. This is the carpet brush, and it is used for deep cleaning of upholstered floors, carpets and upholstered furniture. The polishing brush allows all surfaces to be polished. Thanks to the use of commonly used sprays, we can achieve a longer-lasting polishing result. This is the Tinex brush, which is essential for industrial floor use, as it is the only brush that, thanks to the hardness of its bristles, can thoroughly clean industrial floors, coarse-grained surfaces that are very difficult to clean or where resin residues need to be removed. The black pad is the highest density abrasive pad, ideal for rough surfaces such as stone and rock. The green pad is a medium-density abrasive pad that is essential for dewaxing surfaces using a general-purpose cleaner. The red pad is an abrasive pad also with medium density, but unlike the green pad, it does not remove waxes but makes the worked surface homogeneous, and removes traces of dirt such as a shoe rubber smear. This the white pad. It is the softest pad of the 4 available pads, and it should be used without any type of detergent at the end of the cleanings to polish the floor and surfaces like marble. To fit the 4 types of pad, you simply unscrew the brush and replace it with our drive disc, then apply the desired type of pad simply by placing it there. As you can see, I have replaced the washing brush with the grinding disc, which is ideal for surfaces such as wood and metal. Another of the Pluribrush's strengths is that it can also be used vertically. What we see here are the 2 optional extras we offer with Pluribrush, a tank without handle and a tank with handle. Both tanks can be used with water and the desired type of detergent.